Now in Arabic, all words that compose speech can be divided into 3 different types. Now the first one we have is ism, which include things like nouns, pronouns, adjectives and adverbs. So it's much more comprehensive than the word noun in English. So the next one we have is al-fi'l, which are verbs. And like in English, they can be either in the past, present, or the future tense. So this category is very similar to verbs in English. And finally, we have harf, which are particles, or another word that we can use is connectors. Now these include things such as prepositions, such as in and from, or conjunctions, such as and, then. And they also include a number of other particles, such as interjections. There's particles of emphasis, which are not found in English. But as I said, all this will become much more clear when we discuss each one individually.